Well guys, I'm excited. In this box, I got some new audio equipment. Let's unbox it. So like I said everyone, I just recently purchased some new audio equipment. I have been teaching for a while and I figured now's the time for an upgrade. Plus with some things where we have to do things remotely, I figured now would be an appropriate time to get some new equipment for that. So, you can see that I got this from B&H Photo and Audio. And so let's crack into it. Trusty utility knife. Fresh blade on this always cuts into things like butter. I cut the box. Oh well, I figured that was the case, but that's okay. Fresh blades always cut so easily. Nice, they printed out the receipt. So obviously I had to get a microphone cable because unfortunately the microphone I got does not have a microphone cable that comes with it. This should be, yep, the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 3rd generation. And last but not least, I got the Lewitt LCT 440. Now, when I was looking into the microphones, I was debating whether I wanted to get the Rode NT1A or the Lewitt. They both have similar audio curves, but I thought, you know what, I do like a little bit of extra crispiness, so let me get the Lewitt. So let's go and unbox everything. I mean, I don't need to do that for the cable, but let's dive into it. So let's get the Focusrite out of its box. There we are. Man, the myth, the legend. So I have the box ready to go. Let's pop out the Lewitt. I'm most excited for the microphone because this is my first microphone really that I've bought ever. I did get a Audio-Technica 2020 USB however long ago, but I wasn't really using it anymore, so I just thought, you know what, the hell with it. I could probably just wait until I get a good official setup, and lo and behold, here we go. So, just get the plastic wrap off of this. Alright, so that should be all the cutting I need to do, so let's get the Focusrite out. Nice, as I suspected. Get the thing, plus the audio cable. Or not the audio cable, but the USB cable. Ah, that would do it. There we are. That is definitely built like a tank. And thankfully I don't need to power with anything else but the USB. I just need to make sure that I get some monitors in the future. There's something about the taking off new plastic that's always satisfying about unboxing things. So let me make sure I keep those. Let me make sure I keep the box for setup. So now let's get the Lewitt out. Nice. Is that a sticker? Tis. So I can put that on my computer when I get a chance. Ah, I see what they did. They gave us multiple quick start guides, and in different languages. On the front side for both of them is English, but then on the other side is German or Austrian and Chinese. So, of course, the leather carrying case, the pop filter, the shock mount, oh, and the accompanying windscreen, and last but not least, the coup d'etat. The reason why I got this thing. Sorry about my phone. Look at it, that's a thing of beauty. So Lewitt sign is the front. 1-inch cardioid capsule. Phantom powered. Alright, let's get things set up. So brief apologies on the lighting. Yeah, I don't have my overhead light turned on at the moment, but the audio you're hearing now is from the Lewitt LCT 440. This is completely undoctored, so what you're hearing is going to be the audio from the microphone itself. I'm not even going to be able to hear this microphone until I start editing this video, so I'll let you know what it sounds like as I'm setting things up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I hope to be able to make more in the future, especially with this microphone now, and I will catch you guys in the next video.